Hey, what's up everybody, Josh here, and today I'm going to take you through an edit I did in Photoshop live on YouTube. It's a new series I'm starting called Recasting Movies in Photoshop. And in this particular one, I'm recasting the role of Gandalf in The Hobbit with Nicolas Cage. So I got a time lapse of it right here. Let's take a look. All right, so we got our what's actually a desktop background from The Hobbit, and this is a screenshot of Nicolas Cage from Face Off, if I'm not mistaken. And the only problem with pulling images off the web is that they're usually pretty low resolution, but they were just big enough that I could manage. So right now I'm just trying to find the outline of Nick Cage's face and I tried to liquefy the beard into place. That didn't work out too well. So moving some eyebrows around. And then I just cut out various parts of the beard so I could put it in place. And then use the healing brush tool and the clone stamp tool to try and blend it all together so it looked natural. And we're doing some color correction, trying to get his face to the right color, adding some shadows, making sure all the little bits and pieces of his face are showing through the way they should. Doing some shadow work. And getting those shadows right is really challenging. Dealing with light is probably one of the biggest challenges when you're doing an edit like this. Yeah. And there it is. Oh, that's so ridiculous. But hey, if for some reason you want to check out this Photoshop file for yourself, it's available to my patrons on Patreon. It's patreon.com/JoshMcDarris. The link is in the description if you're so inclined. If you're not, please support the channel just by subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And hey, in the comments, tell me which film you want to see recast next. Tell me what character and what actor you want it recast with. That's all for this episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.